In 2021 is to be resilient. At least that's probably my biggest. If you're going to be an entrepreneur on Amazon, resilience for me is number one. What do you think?
Yeah, I think you nailed it. It's interesting. I've seen it, first from ourselves when we were building the business, but especially over the last 4 or 5 years, I've seen so many different people, both people that we've worked with or just other people that it's like yourself and friends in the industry. And so I think I've seen some commonality within those that have been successful and those that have not been, and not just within Amazon, but I think as you kind of referred to, it's really a common thread around entrepreneurship is that, there is a lot of fear, and it's understanding in the space when you're really fear about yourself, whether you're gonna be successful and every day. And one week is going great. The next, week is not. And so I think a lot of people naturally are kind of looking for, it's this mindset game of almost looking for a way out, right? So there's always like the next thing that you go, oh, well, that worked before, but now this happens, right? So it's not going to work. Or if you're in the, Facebook ads versus the iPhone, oh, well, now they changed the terms. And so now you can't track people with your pixel as well. Oh, now so there's always those things on Amazon. Oh, they're cracking down on this, or they cracked down on that, or you had inventory limits a year ago, or my product. So there's so many of those things, and people do get frustrated with them, but a lot of it is people not willing to kind of having a level of discipline to stay with it. And I think part of that is the challenge of not having some I call it discipline, or some processes or routines in place to make sure that you're plugging along in your business, as opposed to kind of just getting blown over when the next big storm comes through, or the wind. So yeah, without a doubt, because the reality is we talk about the aggregators is a different topic, but there is more excitement going on. There's more capital in the business right now than there's ever been. There's your Amazon brand's never been more valuable, right? If you can build it the right way. It's your asset. It's like, the value of your house, like they all just doubled, right? More or less in the last year or two, if it's done the right way. And so, there's a ton of positives, a lot of excitement there. And the game just continues to change. So you got to know just, what to focus on, what are the new opportunities. So yeah, absolutely agree with that point.
You're talking about processes to put into place. What are some processes that sellers can put into place to help you, to help them get to the next level?
Yeah, sure. So it's interesting.